I'm fast jump too.
That may be a problem. My wheels are not running very good. Woo. Oh.
What were you running?
G920.
Lucky.
It was for the wheel, pedal, and shifter. It was £180. I don't know how much.
What?
For you guys.
That's cheap. That's cheap. What the hell?
Let me see how much it is. 232.
That's like $330.
Nice. It's $230.
Oh, that was close. $400.
Hey, G920 Scudge.
Are you running your wheel on a
G920 is
stand, or
decent.
you just have it on a desk?
I have it on a desk, but this desk is pretty stable, so I'm planning to get a whole rig soon. Once the AIs decide to move you. Wait, I'm about to subscribe to you. I've got it on my screen. No problem. Right. Oof.
Dylan, where are you? I want to park next to you.
In my Supra.
I'm actually struggling to like not pee
I'm in
over on
GT2. Is that your Supra? Blue?
The bright blue one, yes.
Yeah.
Was that you?
crashing. Sorry, man.
What a AI.
I'm sorry if I just crashed into the back of someone. If you slow down completely. Couldn't do that. Maybe Shredder might get some.
This is one hell of a cruise.
Yep, it's a fast cruise. I was hoping that we'd like. Oh, see you boys. Sorry, I'm so sorry, man. Sorry. The brakes on this, the pressure.
Going towards the gas station.
Are you changing?
I thought that was the same.
Oh wait, did you say we was going towards the gas station?
We're doing like a live?
Like, cause you should have just made a right instead of a left. All the way.
Be like Goliath.
Oh, I think someone's lagging a little bit.
Watch out, Cobra. I know that's you, hard body. I don't even have camera text on, but you'd be the only guy to love that.
No, you just probably wear my license.
Yeah, going 100 I'm gonna read your license plate.
Oh, I think it is lagging. What? Oh, okay, I am.
You're lagging me.
Wait. Rural, are you in the party? Because if you are, you're not lagging.
It was a Mustang, it's okay. It's normal. It's their normal habitat.
Why?
This
Why?
lobby's like super laggy.
Oh!
Ooh, you
I
thought.
went off the bridge. You it? Off a bridge. It's not normal. Rural, if you're in a message me because you need a mic, man. That rural soul guy doesn't have a microphone, I don't think, so he won't be able to talk. And I think we all need microphones. Oh, hello, boys.
Hmm?
I didn't realise we were going there.
I do, what was it? Take it off.
This is going to be the most awkward parking ever. No control of my camera angle, but you know what? I don't care.
Let each other park. Stop being so mature, bro. Fuck off.
I'm going to reverse into the sand a little bit. And I'm going to go forwards.
I need to invite back to the game.
We're relying like a...
I get an invite back to the game.
It's not.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm somewhat parked up.
That's my plate.
I just wonder how this is going to work out using the drone on a wheel. Not well. Actually, I got my controller.
11.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, thank you for crashing. I appreciate it.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
What is this kind of
Mustang.
Buick, sorry,
Okay, man.
challenge to drive on a wheel. Brake pressure's low, so I'm going to have to stay a little bit behind.
Both. Get off the counter, you rat bastard.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here, grandma house. And you went to her front yard. How you doing that in the middle of the car?
Hey, do you know how to do the AI glitch, Baller?
Ew, you beat swap to Evo. That's gonna take forever for 12 minutes to do.
I'm freaking out in a second because I'm just crashing into a wall.
Wait, what are we doing?
I also have my 4-speed back set for drifting. So, I'm not crashing, I'm going to crash into the Bear in mind, I got this the other one ready to go.
AMG.
Damn, bro. Let me say we're gonna be cruising at like 85. I'm doing a consistent 90 right now, and I'm getting left.
I don't even know where we're going. What gas station is around?
There's only one. Okay.
Oh, I was wondering why were we flying? I thought we were flying into the gas station.
AMG. Oh, okay. This sour guy needs to stop.
Oh god.
Was that a lag for me or anybody else? Yeah, I was only a lag victim. Got ahead of me, most time bother. I'm gonna drive in hood view, it seems more appropriate.
When a Mercedes tries to race you but goes, the little green booger went to the bushes.
Oh, Sour, what are you doing? Jesus
Sounds funny video.
Oh my god, he is giving me a nice ram in the ass. What is he doing? Look at him. What is he? Sour wants a little sniff of the host. I should really put a pillow behind me. I think I'm going back to looking at back rickets or some shit. What do you think?
Do you ever have like a proper office chair or something?
No, I have a chair. So I'm searching. Oh, and I'm just getting rammed again. What can I get? Hey, my wheel stopped working.
Yeah, that's how you go off.
Yep. I went to go and put my control for a second.
Alright, love you.
The wheel stopped working.
Have fun.
I think I may just do a little bit of fast
Should-
for a second.
You bet you will. No to quit. No, come here. Football report. Huh? No. It's my wallet. It's on my thing.
Alright. I'm gonna park to the left of the road and you guys can come so you're not gonna do it. I'm gonna roll, not park. I actually love how smooth the roll is. It's nice when it's a 950.
Oh, I hate the dirt, bro.
Yeah,
Oh, green.
take is a big thing. But then I've got 900 degrees rotation. Once you crash the
Nah, I'm taking this street over there, dude.
Whoa,
Not taking
sorry.
the dirt.
I actually need to start off-roading with a wheel. It's struggling with so. I'm taking the dirt in a Buick, and it's beautiful. I'm driving over the dirt, my wheel's just killing my arms. What is this doing? Hey! Woo!
Try playing with realistic steering and on the dirt with a wheel.
I might just
Shredder.
do that with like
Simulation.